Hello everyone, welcome to Math VPN channel. In this video, interesting common sense riddles are asked. Check your mental level by answering the riddles and let's start the video. Number 1. What is easy to get into but hard to get out? You have 10 to 12 seconds to answer this riddle. And the answer is trouble. Number 2. What is at the end of the rainbow? This is common sense riddle. And the answer is W. Riddle number 3. What belongs to you but other people use it more than you? It's your name. Riddle number 4. You can see me in water, but I never get wet. What am I? And the answer is reflection, shadow. Number 5. What word looks the same upside down and backward? And the answer is swims. Riddle number 6. I am tall when I am young, and I am short when I am old. What am I? And the answer is a candle. So, how many answers you respond correctly? Comment under the video, and thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe Math VPN channel to watch more interesting videos like this, and if you are a student of mathematics and statistics, you can watch more videos from lower classes to higher classes. Thanks once again to watch this video.